Masamang balita mga kapatid sa Iran dahil pumanaw na ang kanilang supreme leader mga kapatid, at ayon sa balita ito'y matapos maglunsad ng magkasamang strike etong US at Israel. Naku po, eto na, simula na mga kapatid ang gera. Samahan ninyo ako mga kapatid, pag-usapan natin to.
I'm just a young nigga chillin' on it. First time I seen ice was a
Alright, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome ulit sa ating bagong video, reaction, review, commentary, opinion, criticism at kung ano-ano pa. Una kong nakita ito na ipinost sa mga news agency, tapos ipinost ko rin dito sa ating FB page, kaso marami nagko-comment doon. Ngayon, eto na. Ayon dito sa Al Jazeera, Iran confirms, kinumpirma na daw mga kapatid ng Iran, ang pagkasawi ng kanilang Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei after US and Israeli attacks. No? Umatake mga kapatid, tinutoo ng Amerika at ng Israel ang kanilang mga banta na aatake dito sa Iran kapag hindi nga nagtagumpay o nag-fail itong kanilang pag-uusap ng Iran. Sabi rito, Iranian State TV ng Iran confirms reports that Khamenei was killed in Israeli and US strikes and declares a 40-day mourning period. Yung pagluluksa nila mga tol. Iranian state media have confirmed that Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei was killed at his office. Nasa office daw in the Israeli-US attacks on Iran following earlier reports of his killing by US and Israeli officials. Una to mga tol, ipinost muna to ni US President Donald Trump sa kanyang socials, no? At doon nga in-announce niya na yun na nga daw mga kapatid, nasawi etong Iranian Supreme Leader sa kanilang pag-atake. Ngayon, panoorin natin itong mula sa Times of India dahil ang balita mga kapatid, pati ang anak at pamilya ni Ayatollah Khamenei ay nadamay din, no? Samahan ninyo ako mga tol, panoorin natin to.
The great nation of Iran, the lofty spirit of the esteemed leader of the great nation of Iran and the vanguard of the Islamic Ummah, His Holiness Imam Khamenei, has, by partaking of the sweet nectar of martyrdom in the blessed month of Ramadan, ascended to the highest celestial realms.
Shockwaves rip through Iran as state television announces the death of Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei in American-Israeli strike over the weekend.
Parang nung nakaraan lang pinag-uusapan natin to, di ba? Pinapunta na, pinadala na ni Trump yung kanyang mga army o mga militar niya dito sa palibot ng Israel. Tapos nagbigay siya ng 10 days, 'di ba, deadline kapag hindi tinanggap o dapat tanggapin na ng Iran yung kanilang deal, o pag hindi niya tinanggap, posibleng magsagawa sila ng military action. At sabi nga dun sa isang report na binigyan din natin ng reaction video, pinapauna na ng US, 'di ba, itong Israel na umatake. Pero ito yung post ni Donald J. Trump. Sabi niya, Khamenei, one of the most evil people in history, is dead. Yan, si Trump mga kapatid ang nagsabi niyan. Ito yung unang report na i-share natin. Sad to say, maraming mga kababayan natin ang nagsasabing fake news, ganyan-ganyan, ayaw nila maniwala. Nagagalit pa sila sa vlogger. Well, di naman sa ating galing ang balita, 'di ba? This is not only justice for the people of Iran, but for all great Americans and those people from many countries throughout the world that have been killed or mutilated by Khamenei and his gang of bloodthirsty thugs. He was unable to avoid our intelligence and highly sophisticated tracking systems. Yun nga, nasa office daw eh. Dapat kasi mga ganito, mga tol, sa bunker na yan eh. Kasi alam niyo naman ang Amerika, alam niyo naman ang Israel, 'di ba? Hindi naman mag-a-announce na ngayong oras na 'to, sa ganitong oras atake kami, 'di ba? Wala, bigla-bigla na lang dumarating 'yan eh, 'di ba? So huwag na natin basahin yung buong sulat ni Trump.
Hours earlier, U.S. President Donald Trump had confirmed that Khamenei had been killed in a joint U.S.-Israel strike on multiple Iranian targets, escalating an already explosive confrontation.
Sophisticated tracking systems, no? yung intel nila para malaman kung nasan nakapwesto yung kanilang target.
Iran's Fars news agency, affiliated with the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, reported that Khamenei's daughter, son-in-law, and grandchild were also killed in
Ano?
the strikes, citing informed sources. It
Daughter, son-in-law, and grandchild, di ba? Pati pamilya na damay. Ito yung hindi maganda sa mga ganitong mga pangyayari, mga tol. Pati yung mga walang, alam mo yun, walang kamuwang-muwang. Anong resulta, mga tol? Syempre, nag-retaliate etong Iran, mga tol. At may balita nga pati yung Burj Al Arab dito sa Dubai, mga tol, tinamaan ng drone strike ng ng Iran. Burj Al Arab 'yun, mga tol, ha? Ano 'yun? Hindi basta-bastang hotel 'yun. Yung mamahaling hotel, di ko alam kung 6 stars hotel ba 'yun. Yung poste niya, pati poste niya sa loob ginto, sa Dubai 'yun eh. Tinamaan daw, mga tol. Yung Burj Al Arab, tama ba? Burj Al Arab. Burj Khalifa kasi yung pinakamataas eh. Yung Burj Al Arab, mga tol. Sabing ganun sa report.
adds that one daughter-in-law may have died as well, though earlier reports of family casualties had been denied, adding layers of confusion and contradiction.
So, dininay daw nung iba, kaya maraming nalilito, 'di ba? At maraming nagtatanong, totoo ba? Kahit ako nagtatanong din ako totoo kaya? Totoo ba? Kaso eto na nga yung report mula rito sa Al Jazeera. Well, pwede nyo silang questionin, pero eto yung report nila, mga tol. Ayan, kinumpirma daw ng Iranian state media, ayan, the Sunday confirmation comes after Iran's Tasnim and Mehr news agency initially reported that Khamenei remained steadfast and firm and in commanding the field. So nireport daw kasi nitong Iran Tasnim and Mehr news agencies, sabi nila si Khamenei daw ay nananatili, at nagko-command. US President Donald Trump wrote in a post on his Truth social platform earlier in the day that 86-year-old Khamenei was killed in the joint US-Israeli strikes, which began early on Saturday. He was unable to avoid our intelligence and highly sophisticated tracking system and working closely with Israel. There was not a thing he or the other leaders that have been killed along with him could do, Trump wrote. Sabing gano'n, wala daw nagawa kasama yung ibang mga leader, kasama niyang nasawi. This is the single greatest chance for the Iranian people to take back their country, he said. Hopefully, the IRGC, Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, and police will peacefully merge with the Iranian patriots. While Iranian authorities have long planned for the possible killing of Khamenei in the event of war with the US and Israel, his assassination injects new uncertainty into an unfolding conflict that has already spurred concerns that fighting could escalate and expand further. Bagamat matagal na nga daw pinaghahandaan to, kahit di ba nabigyan na rin natin ng reaction video yan na parang naghahanda na rin si Khamenei ng worst case scenario at ipinapasa niya nga niya yung kanyang kapangyarihan. Pero ang talagang maaasahan, magre-retaliate talaga itong Iran, mga kapatid, kahit na sabihin nating nasawi nga sa pag-atake ng US itong kanilang leader.
Meanwhile, intelligence and military sources tell CBS News that nearly 40 senior Iranian officials may have perished in the coordinated attacks, including the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps commander and the defense minister. It remains unclear whether the strikes targeted a single location or multiple high-value sites across the country.
So hindi pa malinaw kung isang location lang ba yon o iba't ibang location.
As Iran reels from the reported decapitation of its leadership, uncertainty grips the region. Iran has been unleashing missiles and drones all across the Middle East since yesterday, targeting Gulf states that host American forces, including air and naval bases.
Yan ang ating pag-uusapan sa susunod. Yung naging retaliation nitong Iran. Kasi inaasahan na rin ng Amerika yan, mga tol. Alam naman nila, babawi ang Iran eh. Yan ang ating pag-uusapan sa susunod. Pero ngayon, eto muna. Ang sabi nga rito sa balita, ayan, basahin natin yung title, Iran State TV's shock announcement of Khamenei joins highest kingdom, no? Kumbaga, ano na daw, sumama na o parang kumbaga sa atin, 'di ba, sumalangit na, ganun. Drinks nectar of martyrdom, sabing ganun. Anyway, bilang mga Pilipino, ano ang inyong masasabi rito? Pwede kayong magbigay ng inyong commentary, pwede kayong magbigay ng inyong saloobin, reaksyon sa comment section sa ibaba. Hanggang sa muli, ako nga pala si Shobaldi. Peace out.